How to fix Telegram. This channel cannot be displayed because it was used to spread. So if you want to fix this problem on your iPhone or your Android, then it's the same process. What you need to do is check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, now you need to open up your Telegram application. Once you open up your Telegram, now you need to go for the search, which is on the upper right, and search for NiceGram bot. Once you search for the bot, now here on the bottom of your screen, you will have a start shape icon. Simply tap on start, and once you tap on start, then it will take you to this kind of interface. And after that, here on the bottom, you will have I'm 18 plus years old. So you will have a right cross or the red cross icon on the right side. So what you need to do is simply tap on I'm 18 plus years old, and then tap on show sensitive content and tap on OK. And that's it. That's how you can fix your problem. And now you won't get that problem. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.